Hello, my name is Andy Rivas and I'm the Social Studies Department Chair. With me are the other members of the department. This is Matt McGinnis over here, Mr. Bob Turner, and Mr. Matthew Moran. Just to tell you a little bit about what each of us do. Mr. Turner, for example, he teaches Global 10, Global 9, and presently he's teaching an elective course called IRACE, which stands for International Relations and Current Events. That'll be in the first part of this year. In the spring semester, he'll be doing World Affairs. Mr. Moran teaches AP Euro, he teaches Global 9, and he's teaching a psychology class right now. In the spring semester, he'll be teaching sociology. Mr. McGinnis, he teaches AP World History 9 and AP World History 10. He also teaches US History to juniors. I teach AP Government to 12th graders. I teach AP US History to 11th graders. And I'm teaching a required half-year course right now called Economics for the seniors. Then in the spring semester, I'll be doing Government with the same seniors. So we all have a lot of teaching experience. Mr. Moran is actually here, this is his first year, but he's been teaching, he has 5 years teaching experience from another institution. Mr. McGinnis, Mr. Turner, and myself, we all have about a little over 20 years each teaching experience. Our department follows the New York State Social Studies curriculum. Graduation requirement for Social Studies is 4 years, so every student has to take 4 years of Social Studies. I'll just tell you a little bit about our department. The overwhelming majority of our courses have digital textbooks. Each department member is well prepared for all types of teaching, whether that be virtual, hybrid, or face-to-face. We each have the experience, knowledge, and confidence to deal with any challenges that come before us. If you have any questions about anything that was said, or any question particularly of any of the members here, feel free to reach out to us. Email is the best contact. Thank you very much for your time, and please stay safe.